It's your boy Ron Smooth, and we back with another banger, man. You know, we in the 392. I'm mad I got the video kind of late, that's why it's so dark. You know what we in, hold on one second, let me show you that. Bam, this is what we doing the video tonight. POV 392. We're gonna see what it's looking like today.
You better stay where you from. Got a freak ass bitch cause the goat. Cause when she suck it or she use she throat. Bitch shut that ass and she jump to the floor. All I need is 2 perks, you know I'm on go. I don't write raps, hit the booth and I flow. I had a loyal ass bitch but she ain't loyal no more. Got an old ass tummy that bitch shake when I blow. Shoot at a nigga, made his ass get low. Little red nigga used to come from the kick though. You owe me some money, better pay what you owe. Jill called in, some money on the floor. If you know you my brother, then I got you for sure.
Who doesn't hurt? You gonna show me some videos, son. That way you can do it. That way you can do a scary one. The whole damn. Let me see it, man. So you can have a compilation video of that bitch. 392 compilation. Boom.
What? What are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man.
Doing the test run, nigga.
Oh my God, you stupid!
It's not a finger. We're going this way today. Let's go. Damn.
What the heck are you talking about?
That's a lot of power, man. But he just street.
Wardrobe
What I
changes?
do?
It's a street at least. What the fuck am I going? Going up this highway like these. Camera or something. Which way do I think? Not this way. Oh damn, I'm tripping.
Look.
Oh, it's thinking I'm tripping. Fuck they doing? Oh, they twisting that bitch. Fuck they doing? Oh, they twisting that bitch. Twisting that bitch. Damn. You got that on cam?
Shut up,
Twist
girl,
that
dude.
bitch. I'm out to edit the film. Twist this shit. That bitch is getting nasty. So I'm just gonna give y'all a little late night point of view, you know. My cuz, you know, the person I grabbed the car from, you know, he let me drive my car before I grabbed and stuff. So, you know, shout out to my cuz for letting me drive his car.
Oh, that was different.
I'm gonna get the swap for y'all real soon. I'm gonna get the content for all that. You know, stay tuned, man. Like, comment, subscribe if you did yet. You don't want to hear a 6'4" Hemi, man. Don't want to hear screaming up the block. Don't want to hear this. Oh, it's cooking. Turn your hazard lights on, man. Turn your lights on, man.
I'm so sick of these people. You know. Oh.
Don't want to hear that, man. Of course, we in Mexico, of course, y'all know. We in New Mexico with it. Got the smoothest streets, you know, the chillest police, you know. Yo, this is my block right here with the light. See, like nobody right here. Like, why you stopping for that long? That's how people get incidents in Detroit. You don't put to do stuff like that. You feel me? That's how you know you go. You know.
Whatsoever, but I'm sorry to tell everybody the truth.
Them right here. You stop and say, look at them. Good job, boys. Faster. Control the car, man. Don't do too much in the rain, you know, because it's raining. So, you know, you don't want to be drifting and sliding to no names. But, you know, my boys know what they did. They're doing out here in the rain and shit. Like, if you do that too much, you might fuck around and, like, break your whole axle, spindle, all that shit.
Hey, fuck it.
So you can't be drifting in the rain, especially if you got a four-wheel car. Do not drift in the rain. I highly do not recommend it. You feel me? Rear wheels only. You feel me? Boom. If you want to drift, get you a rear wheel. I'm gonna get some. Ooh, hold on. Come on now. Come on now. Come on, Beamer. Beamer. You don't want to see. That was today's video, you know. We ain't heard all that, you know. 2020 Dodge Charger 392 Scatpack. All the modes up there. You don't know, they got heated steering wheel, heated seats, vented seats, you know. Throw the tray. Everything get red. Throw the sport. And get the auto, that's the eco. You select that eco in launch mode. Click this button right here, you get the launch control. Hold on. Go to that, you get the launch control. Focus on the launch control. You got the line lock. That's for the donuts and junk. You want that crazy ass donut. You know, launch. You can pick where you want to launch at. All that. What's they got for the valet? That's everything you can see. That's the drive vents and shit. Get the phone connect. Boom. All that right there. Control. Heated wheel. Vendor seats. Heated seats. They got the cooler seats. Heated seats. Mirror dimmers. This right here. Oh, that's how you get to the settings. Feel me? That was for today's video, but let me go another thing before I go, man. Y'all know where SRT boys. So see y'all when I see y'all. Let go.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.